Tired of manually transcribing your own videos or audio files, or getting tired of paying a service to do those automatic transcriptions for you? Well, guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe and translate videos into different languages automatically and for free. Let's dive in. All right, I have the OpenAI Whisper GitHub page open here, and this is what we're going to use at first here to transcribe and translate our audio files. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clone the repo. So I'm just going to copy the link here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my terminal, and I'm just going to type in git clone, and I'll paste that link in here, and I'll hit enter. And now I already have this downloaded, so it's going to tell me that this already exists, but you are not going to have that. It's going to go ahead and download all those files. And now we'll just change directory into that Whisper folder. And now we can start transcribing our text. So I've downloaded a chapter of Alice in Wonderland, and we can do that first as our first example. So we're going to type in Whisper, and we're going to type in our audio file. Mine's called Chapter 1, Alice in Wonderland, and you're going to choose the model. And instead of medium here, I'm just going to go ahead and type in small, and I'm going to do .en for English since we know this audio clip is in English. Now, this does take a little bit, especially because I'm on a Mac. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, this will run a little faster, but I'll also show you a faster way to do it if you just stay tuned here to the end of the video. Alright, so I went ahead and manually stopped this, and let's check out how it did. So I have the audio file pulled up here, and what we can do is just press play, and then we'll go back to the terminal and we'll follow along and see how it does.
Alice was beginning to get
of sitting by her sister on the bank and having nothing to do. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations? So she was considering in her own mind, as well as she could, for the day made her feel very sleepy and stupid, whether the pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth the trouble of getting up and picking the daisies, when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by. There was nothing so very remarkable in that, nor did Alice think so very much out of the way to hear the rabbit say to itself, oh dear, I should be too late."
And there you go. As you can see, it did an amazing job translating the audio for us automatically. We didn't have to do anything. We just let the AI run, and it automatically transcribes it for us. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to translate a video. So I have an audio clip here in Japanese. It's from a YouTube video of someone teaching how to speak Japanese. And what we're going to do is we'll listen to it first, and then we'll go ahead and have OpenAI's Whisper translate this for us.
ここにあなたの、日本語を勉強している年数を入れて、日本語を勉強しています。5年だから5年間日本語を勉強しています。です。
So there you go. That's the Japanese clip. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to clear out my terminal, and we'll go ahead and transcribe that one. So we're going to type Whisper. I have it saved as Japanese.mp3. We'll do -- language, and we'll type in Japanese. And we'll do -- task, and we'll type in translate, because that'll translate it to English. And then we'll use, again, the small model, but no .en because this is in Japanese. And again, it will take a little bit because I don't have an NVIDIA GPU. I am on a Mac. But if you have an NVIDIA, it'll go a little faster. All right, so it's done. And as you can see here, it says I've been studying Japanese for a year now. Here, I put the number of years I've been studying Japanese, and in the tutorial, she says the phrase I'm studying Japanese, which is why it's translated that way. And then for 5 years, I've been studying Japanese for 5 years, and that's it. There you go. AI can not only transcribe your videos and your captions and subtitles, it can also translate it from one language to another. Now, I'm going to show you an even faster way for AI to transcribe. Now, I'm going to go to a different GitHub repo, and this is called Insanely Fast Whisper. And I'm going to show you this in Google Colab. And basically, here, I have already started the notebook. All I did was run these 4 cells we installed Fast Whisper and the IPython Auto Time. We loaded the extension. I again downloaded that Alice in Wonderland Chapter 1. And I set up the Whisper model. Now this is the longest part. This literally took 43 seconds. And now we'll go ahead and we'll have it transcribe that audio. So I run the cell here. It's going to determine the language. And it detected the language as English with a probability of 99.8%, which is pretty accurate. And now I'm going to go ahead and have it transcribe. Now you saw how slow it was on my terminal, and you see how blazing fast it is here. Now this is about a 7-minute clip, and it's going to do this whole 7-minute clip in about 25 seconds, which is amazing. And there you go. It took only 26.6 seconds for it to transcribe an entire 7-minute audio clip of the Alice in Wonderland book. Imagine how much time you can save transcribing all your audio and video files. So there you have it. You can use OpenAI's Whisper model to not only transcribe, but also translate audio or video files into different languages. I personally use this to do all of the captions and subtitles for my own YouTube videos. Now, if you like this content, please go ahead and click the like or subscribe button, or even leave a comment below. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.